Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Thanks for watching my videos and subscribing my channel. One of my subscriber friends suggested me to make a series on Indian state food. India is a land of many cultures. It has 29 states. Every state food is different from one another. Indian food is extremely famous around the world. Let us start from the state I belongs to, Karnataka. One of the famous food of Karnataka is Bisi Bele Bath. In this food we use lot of spices, lentils, vegetables and rice. Let's start. Take half a cup of toor dal. Wash it and soak it for 1 hour. One cup of rice. Wash it and soak it for 1 hour. Take 2 tablespoons of tamarind, cook it for 1 hour. 2 potatoes, peel it off and cut it into small pieces. Two carrots, cut it into pieces. Take handful of beans, wash it and cut it into pieces. 1 cup green peas. I am using frozen, you can use fresh too. 1 cup of red radish, you can use white radish too. 1 onion, roughly chopped. 2 tablespoons of ghee. Heat a ghee in a pan. Add onions and saute for a minute. Then add all chopped vegetables. Mix it for few minutes. Put some salt, half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix it and cook it for a few minutes. Then add soaked dal. Soaked rice. Mix it well. Add enough water. Cover it with a lid and cook till the rice is very well cooked and dal get mashed up. If needed, add some more water too. Spices powder for Bisi Bele Bath. We need half a tablespoon of mustard seeds, whole garam masala around 3 cardamom, 3 cloves, a small pinch of cinnamon, some red chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, tablespoon of Urad dal, half a tablespoon of Chana dal, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves, and half a cup of coconut. Heat a pan, add Chana dal, Urad dal, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, garam masala, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds. Keep roasting. Keep roasting until the aroma comes from the spices. It takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Don't let the spices get burned. Add the spices into a grinder. In the same pan, add curry leaves and red chilies. Roast it. Add it into a grinder. Then add half a cup of coconut. Keep roasting. Add the roasted coconut into a grinder and grind it to make a fine powder. Dal, veggies and rice are properly cooked as you see in the video. Add Bisi Bele Bath powder. Mix it well. Add tamarind juice and mix it. If it needed, add some salt. For seasoning, we need some curry leaves, mustard seeds, cashew nut and red chili. Put 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, red chili and cashew nuts. Fry till it gets light golden color. Add the seasoning to the Bisi Bele Bath and mix it. Serve it hot. Tasty Bisi Bele Bath is ready. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel Reehatkitchen and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.